Hi mga kumare, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, ang silipin naman natin ay si Handa Cash. So Handa Cash is downloadable via Play Store. Hindi po siya available sa App Store. Si Handa Cash daw po is safe and secure. May flexible amount, so pwede installment, and fast daw ang kanyang approval. So before anything else, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Everything you need to know. After natin siya ma-download, so ito yung lagi nating na-encounter, yung permission daw to access yung camera natin for live detection dito sa Handa Cash. Then next naman is yung privacy agreement. So syempre we need to confirm lang to para mag-proceed tayo. Then after that, we need to sign in using our active mobile number. So need na active kasi magsisend siya ng one-time PIN. After the one-time PIN has been encoded, so makikita na natin itong dashboard niya. So nakalagay dito, simple certification daw, higher credit limit is easy to get. So may nakalagay na 91 days dun sa sinasabi niyang repayment. Then sabi, complete lang daw yung KYC in just a few minutes and yung 50,000 will be yours instantly daw. So tignan natin kung 50,000 ba talaga yung pwede natin ma-loan kahit na first timer. Pero usually naman talaga, 'di ba? Pag bago ka sa isang app, bibigay lang talaga nila sa inyo is yung mababang amount. Then click ko lang dito yung withdraw. So after clicking yung withdraw, we need to fill up yung ating personal information, work information. Dito sa work information niya, pwede daw isa kang retired or unemployed or student. So next is hihingi siya ng 3 contact reference. So usually alam naman natin ito yung tinatawagan ni Ola kapag may mga pasyo ka na. Ito yung isa sa mga hinaharas niya. Then after that, hihingi niya naman yung iyong credit standing, if you have overdue in the past month, maximum overdue days in the past month, and so on. Next is we need to upload our ID. So ito naman yung mga IDs na acceptable ni Handa Cash. Then after that, we need to have face identification. Then next is manghihingi naman siya ng inyong bank information. And after ng bank information, ito nalalabas na yung ganito sa dashboard nyo. So ang dami niya palang iba pang pwedeng pagloanan, like Safe Borrow, New Union Loan. So hindi lang pala si Handa Cash. Then after dyan, kapag click mo yung withdraw, nakalagay na dito, ang loanable amount na nabigay sa akin is 10,000 pesos. Na may loan term daw na 120 days and amount na ma-receive mo is 9,992. So, ang service fee niya lang is 8 pesos and ang interest is 320 pesos. So guys, kung ganito kababa yung interest and yung service fee niya na 8 pesos lang, maganda to si Handa Cash. Pero, sure ba na ganito lang yung magiging interest and service fee? So dito pala guys, bago ko i-click yung submit, nagtingin muna ako ng mga ibang comments na nakapag-try na nito. So guys, yung ibang nakapag-try nito, hindi po ganito talaga yung interest and yung service fee niya. So dito kasi pinakikita niya na halos makukuha mo ng buo yung niloan mo. Pero po, ito po, kung makikita nyo, naka-flash sa screen yung mga nakapag-try na dito na hindi po talaga marireceive na halos buo. Tapos, ang laki po na kanilang service fee. So, isa rin po siyang loan shark, si Handa Cash. Kaya po, mag-ingat po tayo and pag-isipan kung maglo-loan tayo dito. So, dahil nga hindi na ako nag-proceed, kinancel ko siya. So, mayroon pa siya dyang sinasabi, it's a pity to live daw. There's still a lot of loan credits waiting for you to withdraw. So, think about it. So, hindi na po kami mag-think twice pa sa cash dahil isa ka rin pong loan shark. So, that's all for today's video. Thank you and God bless us all.